Hello children, today we will begin with practice set 12 of HCF and LCM. The first sum of this practice set reads, find the highest common factor. Now, the first sum is 25 and 40. So, we will find factors of 25 and 40. I have already taught you how to find factors of the numbers in the previous practice set. So, for reference, you can go to that practice set again and learn that. Okay, so here I won't be explaining you how to factorize, but I will explain you how to find HCF. Okay, so we'll factorize the number 25 first. So, I will write here 25. So it gets factorized by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are. Now, and I will find the factors of the number 40. 40 is even number. So we'll begin with 2. 2 20s are. 2 10s are. 2 5s are. And 5 1s are. So these are the factors of the number 40. Okay. So we have already found the factors of the number 25 and 40. So we will write what are the factors of 25? It was 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. The factors of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we have to find HCF, that is highest common factor. So we will find what is similar between these two factors. So what is similar between them? The number 5 here and the number 5 here. So these two are similar here. Anything else do you find similar here? No, because here it is remaining 5. Here is 2 into 2 into 2. So nothing else is common. So whatever is common, we are going to write it once down. So the HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. Moving forward to the next sum. So the next sum reads 56 and 32. We will find the factors of 56. So 56 even number. So we'll begin with 2. 2 2s are 4, carry 1. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. Now we'll go to 32. Again even number, so we'll begin with 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. I'm using a pen here directly to save time so that the video is not very long for you to watch. Okay, so we'll write factors of 56. We'll copy down these numbers from here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Here it is 5 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now we'll circle the numbers, and as we circle we'll write them down. Okay, so I will circle down to what are common between them. So 2 and 2 common, so we'll write down only ones. Again another 2 is also common, so I'll circle this and I'll circle this. Again I will write into 2. One more 2 is common, So I'll write one more 2 down. It's not important, boys, for you to circle it. You can also underline it, but circling makes it easier to spot the same numbers. So I circle it. You can even underline it. So anything else is remaining down here? No. 7. Here is only 7 remaining. Here there is 2 times 2. So nothing more common. So it's 2 into 2 into 2. So the HCF of these two numbers is 8. Okay. Moving to sum number 3. Sum number 3 says 40, 60 and 75. So we'll factorize each of them first. So first I'll factorize 40. It's an even number, so we'll begin with 2. 2 2s are 4, 0s are 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now we'll factorize 60. 2 3s are 6, zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2, carry 1. 2 5s are 10. Now 15 will go in 3 times table. 3 5s are 5 1s are. Moving to the next number, 75. 75 will be divisible by 3 as well as 5. So we'll begin with 3 first. 3 2s are 6, carry 1. 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 5 1s are. Now we'll write the factors of 40 down. So this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and the last one 3 into 5 into 5. Now we have to spot a number that is common throughout all the 3 numbers. Okay. We cannot take 2 and 2 because it's just common in these two. It's not here. It is not in the third number. So we cannot take the number 2. We have to pick a number that is there in all the 3. So you can spot the number 5 here, and the number 5 here, and the number 5 here. So we will write here 5. Is there any other number that is common throughout? No. If you look at the number 3, 3 is only with 60 and 75. It's not with 40. So the HCF of 40, 60 and 75 will be the number 5. Moving to the next sum. Okay. 16 and 27. So we'll first find factors of 16. 16 will be divisible by 2. So we'll write 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Now we'll find factors of 27. 27. So 27 is not even number, so we'll begin with the number 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3 1s are. Now factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. Can you find anything common here? No, there is no number common here. Whenever there is no number common or no factors common, then the common factor is 1. So our HCF will become the number 1. Simple enough.